How to file Doordash taxes on Turbotax. So if you want to file Doordash taxes on Turbotax, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go to Turbotax online and make sure to log into your account. You'll be requiring to open up your account on Doordash, and you'll be also getting $1.99 from your employer, and using that particular form, we will be filling up all the information on TurboTax. So on TurboTax, you need to select the option of self-employment income and expenses. Then click on the option of a start, and on the next window, you need to select yes, since we're doing it on demand service, because it is not just Uber or Rabbit, but also DoorDash. So let's just simply select yes, wait for it to load, then type the work that we are doing. You can type food delivery over here, then select continue, then select whether it is a food delivery by driving, then you can select yes and click on continue, then select whether it is a main source of income for you or it's a business. According to your situation, select it and then click on continue. Then you'll need to tell whether you have been working to like working with DoorDash for a while now, or you're just using it currently. So just select it accordingly. And if you have just started currently, just select I started food delivery in 2023. And if you stopped it, then you also need to intimate that. So let's just select an option and then click on continue, and then it will ask you whether you paid any employees into 2023. So let me select according to me and then click on continue. And here it is asking, do you make these payments for your food delivery driving work? You can select the option and then again click on continue, which is on the bottom right. And in this way, you can simply answer all of the questions that you have on your screen. And you'll be able to get ahead in this process. After that, it will show you some review of the information that you've just filled. Just take a look on it, whether it is right or not. You can still make changes to it by clicking on the option of edit, and you'll be able to make changes if everything is fine. Just go ahead and click on the option of looks good, which will be on the bottom right of your screen. Since it's a DoorDash and not Uber Eats, we'll just click on this option of skip, and here it will ask you to enter the income of your food delivery work. So enter the income and then go for continue, which is on the bottom right, or you can also skip that part. And you need to enter some more details. Under who paid you, you need to enter DoorDash, and you need to enter your payer's federal ID number, which will be given by DoorDash, and just provide that number, provide the amount that you have earned and the amount of federal tax that is withheld. So you will also be able to find it in the box number 4. Just simply copy it and paste it over here. And if you have any more information, then simply add it to the box 5 to 7. Then just select the option of continue, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And in this way, you'll be able to fill this particular tax form and be able to understand your taxability and be able to file the taxes using TurboTax. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.